Introducing yourself in English can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll share some simple words and phrases you can use to introduce yourself in English confidently. Start with a smile and a greeting. Say, "Hi, my name is," your name. If the person you're speaking to doesn't understand your name, you can spell it out or give them a nickname to call you. Next, give some background information about yourself. Say, "I'm from," your hometown/country, or "I'm currently studying," your subject, at, your school/university. You can also mention any hobbies or interests you have, such as "I enjoy playing basketball" or "I love listening to music." Finally, end your introduction with a question to show interest in the other person. Ask, "What about you?" Or "Can you tell me a little about yourself?" Remember, keep your introduction short and simple, and practice it beforehand so you feel confident when introducing yourself to others. With these simple words and phrases, you can introduce yourself in English with ease. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your introductions.